Welcome, fellow seekers of magic and wisdom, to the magical arts. Today we embark on a journey of renewal, transformation, and the magic of spring cleaning. Spring is not just a season for clearing out the physical clutter in our lives. It's also a potent time for spiritual renewal. So join me today as we engage in a magical spring cleaning ritual to wipe the slate clean and plant the seeds of our new reality for the year ahead. Just as we clean our physical spaces, we must also tend to the sacred ground beneath our feet. Our gardens are not only reflections of our external world, but also mirrors our inner landscapes. As we till the soil, we prepare it to receive the seeds of our intentions for the coming year. Each turn of the earth is a prayer, a sacred dance with the cycles of nature. But before we plant our seeds, we must first clear away any weeds or remnants of the past that may inhibit their growth.
Everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Just as we cleanse our homes of clutter, we must cleanse our hearts and minds of old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve us. Now let us embark on a magical spring cleaning journey. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the energy of renewal coursing through your veins with each inhalation and with each exhalation. Release any stagnant energy that no longer serves you. Envision a blank canvas before you, ready to be painted with the vibrant colors of your dreams and desires. What do you wish to manifest in the coming year? What seeds of intention will you plant in the fertile soil of your soul? As we sow these seeds into the earth, let us infuse them with our intentions, our hopes, and our dreams. With each seed we plant, we affirm our commitment to creating a reality aligned with our highest good. As we tend to our physical spaces and our inner gardens, we may remember the power we hold to co-create our reality with the universe. May this magical spring cleaning ritual serve as a reminder that every ending is a new beginning, and every moment holds the potential for transformation. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a green witch warrior? Imagine waking up with the dawn, surrounded by the mystical whispers of the forest, the cool morning dew still clinging to the leaves, and the wild animals embarking on their daily adventures. This is the world of the green witch warrior. A world where magic, nature, and challenges intertwine and create a life that is as fascinating as it is unpredictable. Every day for a green witch warrior is a new adventure. My home, nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, is my sanctuary, my fortress, and my source of inspiration. From the moment I step out of my front door, I'm greeted by nature in all its grandeur and beauty. Yet within this idyllic setting, challenges do lurk, ready to test my mettle and my magic. One such challenge occurred when my web hosting failed, leaving me unable to communicate with my followers, clients, and students. This obstacle, though seemingly mundane, was a major disruption. It was a reminder that even in a world filled with magic, some problems require practical solutions. But as a green witch warrior, I did not let this setback dampen my spirit. I turned to my greatest ally, nature, for solace and inspiration. I ventured onto the Bear Creek Trail, a path that has always beckoned me, but I had never fully explored all along the path. I discovered a tree, eroded and ancient, yet standing strong and proud. It was a symbol of resilience, of enduring against the odds. This encounter with a tree marked a turning point in my journey. I realized that, just like the tree, I too was resilient and capable of overcoming adversity. I returned home, my spirit renewed, and my resolve strengthened. I tackled my problems head on, and in doing so, I learned a valuable lesson about the power of resilience and the importance of staying grounded in the face of adversity. In the end, as a green witch warrior, I did more than just solve my problems. I grew from them. I learned to draw strength from nature, to face my challenges with grace and resilience, and to stay grounded even when the world around me was in turmoil. A green witch warrior's journey is a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. Through my story, you are reminded that you too can overcome your challenges, draw strength from your surroundings, and find magic in the everyday. So whether you're a green witch warrior or just a lover of nature, remember to stay resilient, stay grounded, and to always find the magic in your journey. Thank you for joining me on today's magical journey.